So the topic for today's discussion is activated sludge process. If you are watching this without subscription, so please do subscribe. We are too close to hitting 20,000 subscriber. Okay, let's go to question number 1 then. In activated sludge process, MLSS and MLVSS stand for. Okay, simple question it is. Remember, MLSS stands for mixed liquor suspended solids and MLVSS stands for mixed liquor volatile suspended solid. Okay, MLSS, the term MLSS is used to indicate index of mass of microorganism which is present in the wastewater, and MLVSS is a better term because when we are saying MLVSS, it is not considering the amount of organic matter in the wastewater. That's why it better represents the mass of microorganism than MLSS, and that's why MLVSS is better than MLSS. Okay, which option should we tick? Option B is the one. Mixed liquor suspended solids and mixed liquor volatile suspended solids. Alright. Then for a conventional activated sludge process, okay, let's shorten it to ASP. Okay, we call activated sludge process as ASP. Let's not say activated sludge process as a whole. Okay, it takes time. MLSS ranges from 1500 to 300. So not 300, 3000, which is 1500 to 3000 mg per liter. Okay, for conventional ASP, MLSS ranges from 1500 to 3000, 1500 to 3000 mg per liter. Okay, remember it's standard objective question, literally based on memory. Okay, main function of aeration unit in activated sludge process is to it causes flocculation of colloids in influent. Correct. It keeps the activated sludge floc in suspension. Alright, yes, it causes, obviously, when we are talking about aeration, the main function of aeration will be to provide oxygen. That's why it will be oxygenation of mixed liquor. Okay, simply the function of aeration unit is to cause mixing, to cause agitation, and to cause oxygen diffusion in the what? Influent or wastewater, which is being coming to the activated sludge process unit. Activated sludge process unit is nothing but a large tank that is shifted in between PST and then here SST. Okay, from PST it goes to ASP, and from ASP it goes to SST. One part of this wastewater which is being delivered to SST comes back to ASP, and SST then finally ultimately gives out effluent, and from ASP some portion which is recirculated is given to SST, and this cycle goes on till the desired effluent characteristics are not obtained, and from ASP sludge is continuously received. Okay, this is how ASP is there in the wastewater treatment plant. Okay, that's why what option we should tick here in this question? All of the above. Okay, then in complete mixed flow type activated sludge process, oxygen demand is C. In complete mixed flow type, the oxygen demand is uniform throughout the length of the tank. Okay, option B is the one, because when we are talking about complete mixed flow, so throughout the length of the tank, the microorganism, the substrate concentration is going to be equal at all the point. That's why whatever be the length of activated sludge process, all the concentrations of microorganism as well as the substrate for microorganism are going to be the same. That's why in order to maintain the quality, in order to maintain the operational efficiency of the activated sludge process in complete mixed flow type activated sludge process, we have to keep the oxygen demand same throughout the length. Okay, we cannot provide more oxygen here and less here. Okay, that type is something else. Okay, in tapered aeration is there. In that kind of ASP processes, the oxygen demand varies with respect to length. That we are going to see in next question. Okay, here in complete mixed flow, you are needed to provide oxygen equally, uniformly throughout the length of the tank. Okay, the units are provided equally along the length. Okay, option B is the one. Okay, this is the plug flow type ASP. Here F by M ratio, that is food to microorganism ratio, and oxygen demand is what? It is maximum at inlet and minimum at outlet. Option C. At the initial, means if we kind of try to draw the graph that we are going to provide for oxygen, then it is maximum at inlet. Okay, means if we quantify the amount of oxygen, then we will be having a tapered section. Tapered section means maximum at inlet point and minimum oxygen provision at the outlet. Okay, with respect to the inlet and outlet point, the F by M ratio, the oxygen demand, and as well the microorganism and the substrate concentration are going to decrease on its way. That's why oxygen is provided with respect to the demand. That's why it is a tapered section. Then extended aeration process type, activated sludge process operates at long hydraulic retention time, that is long HRT, high sludge age and low F by M ratio. Okay, option A is the one. About extended aeration process type, it is easy to operate. Okay, it can also sustain shock loading, means it can receive, it can treat the fluctuating wastewater which is acting as its influent. Then the sludge yield, the sludge production in case of extended aeration process type ASP, the sludge yield is sludge production is very low. Okay, these are the advantages and these are the characteristics of what extended aeration type ASP. Then floating or rising sludge problem in activated sludge process can be overcome by, we can reduce this problem or we can overcome this problem by increasing the return sludge age. This problem, floating or rising sludge, is caused due to high denitrification, which causes nitrogen bubbles to form in the wastewater, in the sludge, and that's why the sludge gets buoyant because of large number of these nitrogen bubbles and it comes up to the surface. Okay, now by increasing the return sludges, we are getting rid of these nitrogen bubbles. That's why this floating or rising sludge problem gets overcome. Okay, option A is the one. Then problem of sludge in activated sludge process when it does not settle properly, it is called as sludge bulking. Okay, sludge bulking is simply a term for a sludge having poor settling properties. Poor settling properties arise due to under aeration, okay, because of less aeration and prolonged detention. When you are not properly carrying out aeration processes, when you are keeping the sludge or the wastewater detained into the ASP unit for a very long time, this specific problem takes place. Okay, this is what sludge bulking. Option B is the one. Then activated sludge process, ASP has BOD and SS removal efficiency of about 90%. Okay, the BOD and suspended solid removal efficiency of ASP is 90%. Remember it. So that was all regarding ASP. If you like the video, please press the thumbs up, comment below your suggestion, do subscribe to Simplified Learning, and do find the PDF of this questionnaire in the Telegram channel of Simplified Learning. Also follow the channel on Instagram. The handle goes like Simplified Learning Civil. Okay, if you are a Hindi viewer, do check out Civil Engineering in Hindi, Simplified Learning. I will be putting all the links in the description. Till then, take care. Bye bye.